Alright, today I'm going to try to swap out my wiper arms for newer ones. I guess you could just try to repaint those, but I'm just going to swap these out. We'll see how this goes. Alright, first thing you'll need to do is take off this little cap here and just covers up the nut that we need to get to. So get a bigger tool. Easy peasy. I don't know if these will come off without the puller, so we're going to give that a shot. This is a battery arm and wiper puller. I bought this for the Buick Enclave that I had to swap out a rear wiper for, or on. So this should do the trick here. Alright, so give you a little better view here of how that's on there. There you go. Wiper arm. It's going to be pulled off by tightening that down. And a little teeth underneath should pull it off. And look at that. Well, there's a spring on there, but let me put the camera down here. There's that. Now I just need to pop that out of there. And there you go. I'm going to put new wipers on here. These are Bosch Icons, but they're pretty wore out and flattened over, as you can tell. All right, we're about to move over to that second wiper blade, but I wanted to put this in here. These are Dorman, supposed to both have been Dorman, but 42694 wiper arm replacements. Dorman makes a whole bunch of replacement products, but as you can see, it's the whole thing. So we're gonna get these suckers replaced, get that last one replaced, and then put our wiper blades on. All right, so I've already cut the end off of this thing, so I can pull it. For some reason they send them in there, so I pulled it out. Doesn't really matter. There we go. So now that one's ready. Got to make sure both parts of the arm are underneath the side of the wiper. Otherwise it won't pull up. It has to pull underneath it. Now you just tighten this up until it pops off. Doesn't generally take too much, apparently. But if you don't have one of these little tools, it would probably be a pain in the rear. But that, there you go. Other than the paint, I must fall over here. Other than the paint, that little piece right there where the sprayer comes out has been bent. And I've tried to bend it up a couple times, but it just doesn't stay there for some reason. So that, not to mention the ugly faded paint. So a little bit of money, and then not very much money, to be honest with you. These things are pretty cheap. And you have to get this straight here to get that on. There's a big spring underneath there. Ooh, don't lose that. Trying to make sure it doesn't come down and hit my cowl. Put it pretty much the same position as it was when I took it off. Could just didn't really need that. There's that. Push that back down in there. Cap back on it. Put your wipers of choice on there. You're ready to go. Brand new wiper arms. All right, got them both replaced. I put some Kim blade wipers on there from a Kickstarter. They're supposed to last a really long time. We shall see. They've got pretty interesting design to them. But yeah, new wiper arms, both sides, ready to rock and roll. And that's how you replace the wiper arms on what, 99 to 2007 GM vehicles. I'd say trucks, Tahoes, Suburbans, you know, Silverados, Sierras, half tons, 3/4 tons. That's all you need. I hope that helps somebody out. Thank you for watching.